Hey guys, it's Dean Ignacio. This is
Lloyd Ignacio.
and welcome to our YouTube channel.
I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
So for today's video guys, we are going to show you how we made this beautiful backdrop behind us. And as you can see, it's so simple.
But it's so elegant.
Yeah. So if you have questions about this design, just comment down below. And also if you have tips and suggestions, we are open to it. And what else? Before we start, we would like to share with you where we got this backdrop. So we will put the link in the description box so you can check their website.
This backdrop is from Lofaris.
Lofaris Backdrop.com. So
for you all guys that love to DIY projects,
for all occasions,
just
for
based
birthdays.
on the comparison of the prices we did from the local stores and other online sites for backdrops, Lofaris is the cheapest one we have.
And the best, and the best for me.
Yeah, the best, and the quality is good.
Yeah, compared to the backdrops I've used before.
If
So
you want
better
to
check it.
learn more about Lofaris Backdrop, just click on the link below.
So now let's check their website, guys. Just type lofarisbackdrop.com. And yes, this is their official website. And you know me guys that I am always advocating for DIYs, and you guys have seen that I have some tutorials on how to DIY party decorations. So these backdrops are really affordable compared to what I've used before. And there's a reason why I really wanted to review this, because I wanted to test the quality for myself and see how they're gonna look in pictures and in parties, and it turned out really great. I love the material of this backdrop because it's so easy to install. You only need tape to stick it on the wall, and it's also easy to store and can be folded up and tucked away in a drawer when not in use, or to store for my future parties. But if the backdrops become wrinkly, all you have to do is to use a regular iron to remove the wrinkles. Unlike the backdrops I've used before, that you also need to buy a steamer for them to remove the wrinkles. The next thing I love about Lofaris is that they offer custom printed backdrops and materials for all occasions. All you have to do is to email them your designs, and Lofaris will work for you each step of the way to customize a backdrop, match your specific party colors, theme, and style. So get the best custom backdrops for your wedding, birthday parties, and more here in lofarisbackdrop.com.
Bye.